we have practically successfully installed a defined font into our project. So in the similar fashion, we will be changing styles to the text elements right below it. This is the paragraph element over here, and we need to define all these paragraph elements. So let's head back to text editor first, and let's take care of this paragraph element here. So instead of h2, we will be now modifying any paragraph element that comes directly within this display left box, and we will be heading back to this Google Fonts. There it goes. Now here, instead of Oxygen, we have already made usage of Oxygen fonts into our project. In the next case, we will be looking for the Cormorant, and this is the font that we are looking for, Cormorant Upright. So we will be opening it into a new tab, and there it goes. Another thing, we need to remove this individual style of Oxygen that we had made usage of on the earlier occasion. So we will be removing it. There is no font here, and we will be selecting the style. This is the light 300. We may make usage of this style, or we may make usage of this regular 400. So the choice is ours. All we are going to do, we will be making usage of this regular 400. So we'll be selecting this style. We may select some other styles, like if we wish to make usage of this light 300, then we may select this style too, and we can see that right now Cormorant Upright, light 300 and regular 400, both of the font stylings are being specified into this extreme right column. Now if we copy this entire link from here, the process is similar. We need to copy it from here. We need to head back to our project. In the first case, we need to head back to the .html page. In this regards, we need to head back to the head section as been displayed here, and we will be pasting the same link that we had made usage. So there it goes. We have made usage of these fonts. Both of them are here. Now if we press Ctrl S and let's head back to style.css, here too we will define the font size 1.2 rem. There it goes. So this is the font size, and in the next case we will be making usage of the font family that we have imported into our project. So we will be heading back to the Google Fonts official website, and here goes the font family in this regard. So we will be copying it and we will be pasting it right over here. Press Ctrl S, let's head back and reload, and we can see that we are practically successful in importing two of the fonts being used in Google Fonts. This is the font weight here, so we may make changes to this font weight. So instead of this 700, we may make it a little bit of bolder right over here. Like instead of 700, we may make usage of 900. Press Ctrl S, reload. So here it goes. We are practically successfully able to import new fonts into our project and to work with it. So this is it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will be now heading to build up this required section here, our services, and we will be seeing how to develop all those cards and make usage of another open source font awesome icons into our project. Stay tuned.